Hello guys, today we are going to do the practical session of 2016 May.June Access, MS Access, that's data manipulation. So this paper 2 contains documentation, data manipulation is MS Access, and presentation. 3 parts in this. So we'll go to here, task 3, database. You are now going to prepare some reports for the company. Make sure all currency values display its euro sign and or two decimal places. Using a suitable database package, import this. So we have to open a blank database having 20. Let me change the name. 2016 access. Sorry, I'll save in the same. Okay, now the question paper. We have to import the file J216 adsports.csv. Okay, external data, new data source from file, text file. We have to open our folder. Open your folder where you saved your these question papers folders. 16 May.June paper 2-1. So in this add sports there's a 1. Yeah, this is the data in the table. First row contains field names. Next, here we have to go advanced. Now let's see what all the we have to type in. 3 text, source course code, activity type, 3 text, rating, number, and integer. Now let me get that first. First 3 text, rating is an integer. Then text, location is a text. Location is a text to find. Residential, it's a true or false, that's a yes no. Then course cost is a numeric, that's currency, it's currency, and duration is an integer. Okay, this is all done. Okay, now next, here about the primary key, anything, set the course code field as a primary key and then save the data. Take a screenshot showing the field names and that. So here choose a primary key. Course code is the primary key. Here it's appearing. So course code is the primary key. Keep it like that. So next, save, finish, then save. Here is the one. Here we have to adjust this one, right? And what else? That's it. Only this residential we have to adjust. Where we have to go? Table fields, yes no, short text. Okay, this is the whole data, and we'll go to design view. Here we have to check the currency over here. Format is euro, fine, and its decimal place is 2. Rest all same. Now this we have to take a screenshot. So I'm taking light shot here. Can adjust this much, save. Then we have to place it in our folder in evidence. Yes, field names, place in the into the here, evidence, Yeah, where we have to place 20 here. Okay, now back to the question. This is done. 21. Create a data entry form which will, now we are creating a form. It's a form. Okay, it's a database object. Form is a database object. Another, just like we have a query, we have a report, we have table. Now we have a form. Yes, fine. Just to keep it empty, the area. Now go to create. Here we can take form. Sorry. Also, we can go for create form wizard. It's easy one. Here it is said all fields. Let's see the question. Question here includes all fields from the add sports table. Use a drop down menu in the location area having these options. Okay, so all fields here, all fields available one. Next, keep columnar. Here J16 add sports report it is. We can add sorry, not report, this is let me close this. Just I'll rename it. It's a form. Okay, so here is the form. Next, here we have to create a drop down for the location. Location is here. Let's open design view of it. Here location, and we have to delete this. Okay, after this we have to go to this combo box, bring and here just drag it. Okay, when you drag it, this has to open up combo box wizard. Okay, I'll show you again. Okay, see, it's still the cursor. Just drag it. Fine, like this. One more time. Here, so this side will open like this. Okay, now select, I will go type in my own list. Here we will take that. Here con something ball, copy. Next one more, island. Third one, Scotland. Fourth one, some Wales. Fifth one, France. Okay, next. In which we are storing in this location. Next, here combo one, what is the name we are using? It's, what was the name? It was location. Which go and click back there. Here, see, you see there, when you run this, I will show you run layout view. Here, this one is form view. It has to open up like this, the list. Okay, this is done. Place in your evidence document screenshot to show the drop down menu and how you have a limited data entry to these 5 values only. So here they want just open this and take a screenshot. Open this, then screenshot. Print screen. So here next is location field. It is. Here is the one. And the more thing is there. What is in the question? Something more. And how you have a limited data entry to these 5 fields only. Okay, it's done. It's much only next. Now we have to enter one field through this form. Okay, now let's copy. Here, this is the first one, second one. See, these are all the records. Can you see this? See. So now we have to go to the extreme last record. Then here, enter all the details. Second one, type is water. Number 4, then convert. Okay, this is 4, and this one I'll choose convert. Yes, 471. Here this is yes, 471, and duration is 6. Okay, just press enter. Okay, press enter. Now save the work. Whether this is added or not, we have to see in our this add sports. Go to the extreme last one. It'll adjust in between. What was the number we entered? CO029. CO029. Course code. Yeah, this is the one, right? Exactly. This is what we entered through the form. Now next, check your data entry errors, save the data. Place your evidence document screenshot showing this data in your form. Oh, we have to take the form. This is a 1. This is a 1. See, just go to extreme 301. What is the number? 21, 22, 24, 26, 29. This one we have to take a screenshot. This as well. Say, what's the question number? 22. 22 here. Next. Evaluate the design of your data entry form. Type the evaluation of your data entry form into your evidence document using no more than 50 words. Okay, we have to evaluate how the form is helpful for the data entry. Here. Okay, we can write a few lines of it. The data entry form is quite easy to use to enter data. It's helpful when we have large amounts of data to be entered. It reduces a lot of confusion while entering field values. It minimizes errors as there is ease of entry. Drop down list box is a wonderful feature where we just have to select a value from a list. Enough. Next, it's all done. Okay, till here it's done. Import the file J216 ratings.csv as a new table in your database. This also you can. Now, second table we are importing. Okay, this is done. Just save the work and close this. Keep area empty over here. Again, we have to import another database. Go to our folder from this. What is that? Ratings, right? J216 ratings. Okay. Oh, little less data. Fine. First row contains field names. Next. Yeah, anything is there. Set activity rating as it is. So this is okay. Next, so in this primary key activity rating. Next, finish. Okay, this is rating. It got a long description here. Yeah, and history. Okay, so these two we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in ad sports activity rating. If you see the question here, create a one-to-many relationship as a link between rating field in the first table ad sports and activity rating field in J to 16 ratings. So here one-to-many relationship means from one primary key to other fields multiple values. If you see, this is a primary key here having unique values. Every value is distinct here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not repeated. Okay, so this is a primary key here. Now in ad sports activity, what is that? Rating here. So rating, you see, it's a repeater. If you sort it, see, ones, twos, threes, fours, fives must be there. Yeah, fives, but they are repeated. So this is one no field. So to this we have to attach, we have to create relation having multiple values of the same type. Here you see, here all single values, but here they are repeated but the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, but ones are many, twos are many, threes are many. So one to many relation it is. That is what one-to-many relation. So we are connecting this field to this field so that it is one-to-many relationship. So this is what we do. We relate like this to access from fields or values from both the tables at a time. For this reason only we relate the tables. At once we can access the details from both the tables. Through this table, I can access the values of this table here from big table. From this table, I can access the values of any field, any record from the big table. That's the benefit of relating. Okay, now let's start. We can just close, save, save. Now go to database tools, relationships. We need both. Close. Okay. Now here see, activity rating is a 1 to many values of rating here in ad sports. So we have to relate them like this. So when you just hold down the mouse, left mouse, and drag it to match with rating here, this dialog will open up. Fine, see this one to many, it's selected. See, it's understood. When I was dragging it, it is already understood. It's one to many, it's selected. Fine. Now create. This is one to many relationship. Okay, save the work. Close. This is done. Now let's see the question paper more. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the relationship between the two tables. Okay, they want us show database tools relationship. Fine. So we have to show it in evidence. Just take this, copy relationship here. Okay. Next, this is a different. Okay. Again, we have to create a query, then the report from those. shows only the fields course code, location, activity, level. From this, here it is we have to use both of them, right? These two tables, since we related them using primary key one-to-many relationship, so we have to access both the records, both the tables. Fine. Create, query design, add, another one also, add, close. See, you can see the relation appears there. Now shows records course code, location, activity, course code, location, activity, level, duration, residential, level is here in the other table, level, duration, was the last one, residential, and daily cost. Daily cost is a new column that we calculate accordingly here. So here residential, and here we have to mention daily underscore cost, two dots, colon. Then how we are going to calculate that? It's calculated at runtime and the speed as a currency. This field will calculate the course cost divided by duration. Fine. Course cost, open square bracket, course cost, no spelling mistake, course underscore cost, close square bracket, divided by duration, again in square bracket, duration, close the square bracket. Fine. So let me see whether this is calculated and rest all the records are extracted properly from both the tables, right? So save. So here query 1, what's my question? 25. So Q25. Okay, then run this. Daily cost is, duration is there, everything is there. Course cost, where is the course cost? Here no, we'll just pick the column as well. Going to the design, here let me pick the course cost just to see how the calculation is done. Okay, so here save, run. So here 83 is divided by 183 only. Daily cost, we have to even set the currency, euro. 84 is divided by 2, it's 42 exactly. 86 is divided by 2, it's 43 exactly. And 88 is divided by 2. You see here 3, how it will be divided? 3, 142.5 is divided by 3. Yes, 142. What is the answer? 47.5. You see here 171 by 3. So you will get in decimals. So it's rounded off. Okay, 3 5s are 15. 2 is left. 21. This one is exactly 57. But here you see 5. 3 5s are 15. 2 is left. 3 9s are 27, 1 is left, and there's a 15. So 3 5s are 15, so 5 times. This way it's calculated. Fine. Okay, it's perfect. See, now we don't want to see this column. We can make it invisible, and also we have to set the currency for it. Go to design, just uncheck and select this column, property sheet, format, euro. Okay, save, run. Yes, and two decimal places as well, it is adjusted. Okay, next question. Shows only the records where the type is water. So it has to match with water, all the types of water only. Go to design, type. Where is the type? Here we did not take type. So what we'll do, we'll take a type. Fine, and it should be water. Okay, save. Residential is yes. Duration is 12 days or less. Residential is, yes. And duration is less or equal to 12 days. Just only number we have to enter. Save the work. Now run and check. Duration less, maximum it's 12 over here, and residential you can see only yes. Only yes. And the type is water, but we have to keep it invisible. Go to design and check type. Now, question paper. And excludes those activities located in Scotland, excluding. Okay, copy this text. Located in Scotland, not Scotland. Save, run. Location, anyway, Scotland is there. So what we can do, just let me remove this. We'll see how the location column is. Here 2 Scotlands are there. See there? 2 Scotlands. So that we have to remove by placing not Scotland. Not Scotland. Sorry. Scotland. Click outside. Okay. S is capital. S is capital. Fine. Save the work and run. See there? All are having no Scotland at all. Next, this is all done. We can just highlight it. Now, from here onwards, it is the report part. Now, let's go to report. Close this. Save once and close. Go to create report wizard. Here, what is the table? Query 25. It's not a table, it's a query. So take all, next. So here sorting is there, some kind of sorting. Sorts data ascending order of activity within ascending order of location. Both. First is ascending, second is also ascending but on location. So here on activity ascending and also on location. Second one ascending. Next. What else here? Has an orientation landscape, single page wide. Okay. Landscape, and it fits in single page. And what is the name of the report here? Report title. Report title is this. Copy this and paste it here. Report title. Report title it is. Modify. Okay. This is the design view of the report. Now what else we have to do? We have a little bit calculation over there. Calculates these 3 are done. Fine. Now calculates the total number of course codes in this location, in this selection, and positions this number under the course code. So total number of course codes they want to know. Okay, so for that, just let me show you the layout view of it, and if we should adjust if any data is not visible or overlapping on each other. Look at this. It's totally. Here we can just move it from here to here, and we can adjust this as well in the center, or means little bit adjustment. Here only one column, select only one column. Just evenly I'm just making it all the data. Okay, this is the total data. Page 1 of 1. Fine, save. Let's go to the question paper. This is done. Then calculates the total number of course codes in the selection and positions this number under the course code column, and we have to give the label as well as a total water codes to the right of this number. First, let's calculate the total number of course codes under this column. Here, save and go to home, then view design. Course code total they want, so they want at the bottom of all the column values. So we can come here, just select this. Okay, just select this and go to totals. Here totals and count values here. Okay, count values. Here is one, count values. You can see the formula automatically appearing there. Count function it is under this count course code. And we need a label as well. Let's go to the question paper. Uh, Here, just counting the values of it. And total water codes. Copy this and go to question paper, and we have to take a label, place it to the right of the calculation and paste it there. Okay, just align it, both of them, so that they appear meaningful. Save the work, and just let's check in layout at the bottom under course code. Course code is here. We can just adjust it here. Course code. Yeah, this is the total number it is, counting the values. Okay, now next. This all done. Has your name, center number, and candidate number at the bottom of the report. At the bottom of the report. Save and home, view design. So at the bottom of the report comes here. This is a footer. Okay, we can just adjust this and take a label. This is the label. Place it here. And name, center number, candidate number, just align with this. We can just check how it's appearing on the report. Yeah, you see, it's perfect. Save and print this. Yeah, that will do. Make sure that you have entered name, center number, and candidate number on your report. Just now we did it. Print out one with the print that they need a particular printout one. And evidence 10. We have to place screenshots showing the formula used to calculate the total number of activities. Here, just home, design view. This is the formula they want to see. We have to take a screenshot of it. The whole yeah, here it is showing, and even we can just show by drawing like this as well. Save, and let's go to evidence. Which evidence it is? Evidence 10, 25, and 25 is the one we are showing clearly. Okay, now next question paper. These two are done. Yeah, 26 we have. It's another different query. Produce an extract. Selects only. Okay, first we'll go for this. Shows only fields. Activity, course code, course cost in this order. This is done. Save. Oh, not this one. Oh, we have to go this one. Okay, save it. Home. Now I'll just close this. So just keep it empty over here. Create, then again query design. We have what are the fields we have? Activity, course code, and course cost. Also they want course cost. Where is course cost? Okay, no, 2 times we got. Okay, once course cost is here. Okay, so only one activity, then the third one is course cost. Only 3. Selects only those activities which include ski or snow. Just we can copy. Include having these word one term in a big value. Okay, I'll show you here how this is running. What are all the values in this? Just save, and I'll just give the what's the question number? 26 Q26. Okay, and just run and check over here. We have the activity having all, see, very long values as well. We have stand up, paddle, surfing. Suppose one term surfing, if this is matching, the whole word should be there. But here no word is a matching one. Ski should be there somewhere in the whole value. Ski or snow as well. So those records only should be kept. See, skiing is there. Yes, see, this actually ski is a part of the whole value. So if ski is there, that value should be kept. So heli skiing should be kept over there. Okay, as per the condition over there. And even the snow. Okay, now let's do that. Here the whole the base tables, all the records are displayed in the query till we condition it. Okay, now let's condition it under activity. Ski. What we have to use for that? Double quotes, star, ski, star, double quotes. Or other one is double quotes, ski, star, then snow, star, and double quotes. Okay, I didn't take S capital. Let's take S capital as well. Yes, you can see that. Now let's see how this condition is working. You see the number of records reduced a lot, and in every value you can see ski or snow is there. See, snow is there. Fine, ski, snow. Okay, fine. Next, located in France. Just will paste this in the column. Located in France. See, location is not existing, the column. So let's get location and paste the value. They want only the France. Fine, having France. So let's see. Save. See there, all of France. But this shouldn't be appearing there. So we will, how many, see the records reduced. As we keep on conditioning, it'll reduce. Now where the rating is just a 5, equal to 5 it is. Okay, let's go to design, uncheck this. Rating is also not there, so let's take a rating, and here equal to 5, equal to 5. Okay, so equal to 5 in the sense. Now let me see that. See 5. Now I'll just make it invisible. Go to design and uncheck this. Okay, save. Now you see how further the records are reduced. Now sort the source cost in descending order. Descending order. Course cost. See, this is a sorting in descending order. Okay, all the costs. Descending means big to small. Save and run. Course cost. The highest one is on the top, and the lowest one, the minimum value at the bottom. Right? Okay. Now this is fully done. Place in your evidence showing the criteria used to select the required records. Criteria in the sense all those what we did. So just we have to show these are conditions. That means, okay, we have to take a screenshot of this. So from here to here, these are all the conditions. Fine, and even you can highlight it for this. These are the ones we are showing. Okay, save. The copy, sorry, copy. Now let's go to this one here, 26. $11. Okay. Save this data so that it can be imported into the document that you saved in. Step 29 is of MS Word documents. Okay, this is task 4 separately. That's what we just pick and put it in MS Word. Fine, let's save this whole thing. This first this saved and run. Task 4. Import this data into your document as a table after the paragraph which ends activities to choose from. So what we have here, this one we have to import. What is that? Query Q26. This one. Select the name, right click, export Word RTF, and open the destination also, just UK. Okay, fine. This one. So this we have to place it in the document. Here you see where we have to place. Let's find out the place. Ends, which ends, activities to choose from. Select that sentence, copy, and we'll go to MS Word part. This one. Where is it? Let's find out. In the find, place the text, activities to choose from. After this, yeah, it's a hearsay. As a table after the paragraph which ends. Yeah, here it is, exactly. Ending here after the paragraph. Okay, just we can close this. Now let me go to the table. Select, right click, copy, and paste here where the cursor is blinking. Okay, now the question paper. Make sure that the table fits within the column width. All required fields and their labels are fully visible. So here just let's adjust the columns. The data should not be hidden. Yeah, it's perfectly fitting within the column width. Data is displayed on a single line except the field headings which can wrap. The news table style is applied to the extract. So here we don't have anything to wrap in the headings. The headings are smaller in size and everything is in single line. Now select and we have to apply news table style to this. Select. Now it's coming the wrapping. Okay, let's see whether we can adjust this. The text should not wrap. The text should not wrap. Okay, but the headings you can wrap. Like this you can wrap. But it has to fit in the column width. Yes, so just you can wrap it like this. Yes, exactly fit in the column width. Save. This is done. 27 fully. Spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that tables and lists are not split over two columns or pages. And no, there are no widows and orphans. There are no blank pages. House style specification has been followed and the correct styles applied as instructed. Spacing between all items is consistent. And save the document with the same file name and format used in step 2. What is the step 2? MS Word document. Okay, now we have to go for spell check, review, spelling, holiday. Where is holiday? Holiday is fine, right? Whatever. Once again, holiday, ignore, Bugging it is. Where's bugging? Kite bugging, no. Ignore. Snow kiting, snow space is needed. Snow kiting. Okay, ignore as it is. It's coming from the table. We are not doing anything. Here also same. These are all names. No. 24-hour. No. Wide open. Where is wide open? Here is wide open. Okay. This is space there, like a hyphen is needed. And first time. Okay, change. This is my name. Ignore what is. Ignore. Okay, done. Okay, rest all what we have to check. Any orphans are left here. If the first line of the paragraph is left over in one column and the rest all the text of the paragraph in the other column, that's called a widow. That's on the top, okay, top line or one word from the top. But if the same thing happens from the bottom, last line or last word in the paragraph, if it's left over in one column, like a left side, and the whole or right side, the whole the text of the paragraph in the left side, that is called a orphan. Okay, if it is a bottom, it's orphan. If it's a top line or word, it is widow. Okay, we don't have anything. Everything is aligned perfectly. Save the work. Yeah, we saved as per the format MS Word document. Print the document printout to make sure that you have placed your name, center number, and candidate number on your document. Okay, that's printing. Okay, this is another print of the same document, the one we are editing, this one. Okay, just going to file. You can just print. This will be printed when you click on this print. Okay, done.